ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka college puli nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Kasing San Prathai Hill State People's Democratic Party klarai ban Pynkut no e ka Jingtreilang but Kasing San Prathai United Democratic Party hapok kalama jang Regional Democratic Alliance hading jing syaram no hak election Lok Sabha barang shudap longshan. Hspdp bar ke UDP kapinyeng yu President berim jang HYC bar Robert Jun Kharjarin kumukar tong hak election Lok Sabha. Yakni la pentip do working president ke UDP wa polling do bulong ru menteri ke sarkar jilla hak jing kren bekla pathai ke bor hak singi palai ke sautrek nai tung arajar phausa.
We just had formal meeting where we assessed the performance of the party in the just concluded Lok Sabha elections. We zeroed in on a number of factors leading to that dismal performance of the RDA. And of course, there were voices against our continuing in the MDA. But there were also more voices in favor of our remaining in the MDA. And ultimately, it boils down to one thing. Elections to the Lok Sabha cannot be treated as a referendum on the performance of the MDA, which has just completed 1 year of its existence. It's like saying that you judge the performance of a team before it even reaches the halfway mark. You know, with the Euro Cup games going on, you can't really predict the results until the last minute of the game. Now we have not even reached a point of the halfway mark. So that is one. The Lok Sabha elections are not a referendum. Two, if we say that the UDP fared badly because of its association with the NPP, then how do you explain the fact that the NPP candidate could muster more votes, 1.5 lakh votes, while the UDP candidate could not reach 50,000 votes? So likewise, NPP might say that we fared badly because of our association with the UDP. So these do not meet the ends of logic and common sense. Right. And each election is different from the other. So again, we have the ADC elections coming up. In the district council, KHADC at least, we even have the Congress working in tandem with the EC of the NPP. So it's a different ball game altogether. You can't really mix, match and compare the three. It certainly is the voice of the majority, otherwise there would have been a formal resolution to part ways, which never happened. But yes, there were voices which expressed concern about the dismal performance, and various factors were brought as leading to that performance. But overall fact of the matter is that the VPP enjoyed the fact that it is a new entrant into electoral politics with no past records of having been in government. That is a major plus point for them. There are multiple factors for the failure of the RDA candidate, which is why, as you can see, even the Hspdp has decided to pull out of the RDA. So these are factors that are important for you to take into account. It's not now a lot of factors were at work And one of them was also the fact that we could not galvanize our entire cadres in a manner that we should have done. And the decision of the RDA, the name of the candidate was declared at the 11th hour, a year after the VPP candidate has gone touring around. Its unwillingness to continue with the RDA. We might say so, we might think that it's better that we work different ways, since we could not touch 5%, reach 5% of the total votes this time. Probably had we contested as UDP alone, we could have crossed that. So these are all in the realm of the probable. That was an expression made by the Hspdp. We need to meet formally and settle all these issues. In the realm of the probable, that is also one probable possibility. That had lost in all 12 seats. All political parties had lost throughout the 36 constituencies, where the VPP managed to be number one in 34 of the 36 assembly segments. So it's a watershed moment for electoral politics in Meghalaya. But again, I would reiterate that each election is different from the other one. At the end of the ADC elections, you will see different results. But we do acknowledge the fact that we have an entrant like the VPP. It does make us, look back and try to improve upon where we think we have not been paying adequate attention. He makes tall claims in politics. Even candidates who forfeit their security deposits will always claim that they are winning the elections. So there's nothing strange about it. But I'm saying that the VPP's entry into electoral politics is a welcome sign because it marks a watershed moment in Meghalaya's polity where the plurality of regional parties is a confirmed fact. But how long, how enduring will VPP as an entity be? Only time will tell. But a major but is they enjoyed the kind of victory that they could master because they have not been vested with political power. They have not been in office. We suffer because of a huge anti-incumbency factor, and anti-incumbency factor that worked not only against us, but against the perceived proximity of the NPP with the BJP, for instance. All those preyed on the mind of the electorate.